to a story of good things happening for some local businesses. The group Gift, generating income for tomorrow, helps build up black businesses on the east side. Since they started last year, donations have been rolling in. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Plake tells us about 2 more businesses now getting a much-needed boost.
It's the community support that makes this possible and helps these businesses grow and thrive. It's something as simple as fresh herbs in a community garden that help address crucial needs.
We brought life back to the soil.
Just as Mike Rowland turned contaminated dirt into healthy soil, it serves as a metaphor for the change he wants to see on the east side.
I started urban farming 7 years ago because I wanted my boys to know what real food tasted like.
Rowland started Ophelia's Blue Vine, named after his grandmother.
This is fresh rosemary.
This is one of the vacant plots of land he bought near 24th and Vine 5 years ago. He discovered the soil was contaminated, and it took him $30,000, partially funded by grants, to test and purify that soil.
Because I couldn't let the people down, and so it was whatever it took, and it's been a struggle to get water, to get electricity, to build up the infrastructure. You know, had a lot of no's, but we just kept pushing forward.
Ophelia's Blue Vine recently received a $25,000 grant from Gift, generating income for tomorrow.
It runs off wood pellets, you know, but the new stove is going to be powered off of corn and wood chips or other biofuels. So
it'll help them get a better stove that keeps the greenhouse hot year-round and to buy some storage sheds.
Not only are we creating jobs and helping these businesses grow so we can close the racial wealth gap, but we're having a huge impact on social factors that also keep communities of color suppressed.
Black Hawk Security and Neighborhood Watch also just received a $25,000 grant. They're a team of trained security officers commissioned through KCPD.
A lot of times the individual of color, they don't trust law enforcement, so we want to give them another option.
The grant allowed them to hire on 3 more officers for a total of 5. They provide security for businesses and events, respond to neighborhood disturbances, and will eventually start contracting with HOAs for residential security.
And another thing that GIF has enabled us to do is get more hands-off training and de-escalation training. We never want to use our weapons. We never want to pass anyone over to KCPD.
Gift is now launching a fundraising campaign to give 5 more businesses $5,000 grants. To donate, you can text GOT5 to 44321. Sarah Plake, 41 Action News.